guys, today we're gonna be making, didn't drop that, soup. So, first what you wanna do is you wanna open the can, okay? You wanna open the can. Got it? The can. And then you wanna lift the lid like that. And then you wanna, whoa. That's a lot of, you want to put it into a pot, like this one. That, come on. Like that. And that's a little bit too much. We're going to be using this pot. Okay, so let's do that. Oh yeah. Okay, and now what we want to do next is we want to put it on. I don't know. Let's just take a guess, okay? It looks like we're going with eat. Okay? So while we're waiting for that to cook, we're just gonna sit here and wait. We're gonna sit here, wait. Sit here and wait. You know what I'm gonna do? It's gonna take a while, so. No, I'm bored. Let's go play some. Let's go watch some SpongeBob. Okay? I'll get this thing going. No, please don't sponsor me. Please don't give me copyright strike, okay? So, oh no. We don't want to watch this stuff. We want to watch. Hang on. 300. And I want to watch some of that good old SpongeBob. Okay. And so, let's go check up on the soup. And it's taking too long. And this is how you cut shortcuts, guys. You ready? You get a bowl. And you usually put the soup. And then you pour the soup into the bowl, and then you put the bowl in there, and then you put it in. Nope, we don't want it in there for that long. We want it in for 9999. Okay. Okay, so now while that's waiting, we're waiting for that. Well, and that's how you cook soup. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Okay? Bye.